Welcome to part 3 of our Defined Benefit Plan Insight videos. In this video, we will be going over the solo defined benefit plan. There is a way that certain savers can start a DIY defined benefit plan. It builds on the contributions that you make yourself, without any help from your employer. So if you're self-employed or have your own outside income, you can set up your own plan. The contribution limits are generous, and you can deduct your contributions at tax time. It's also a great way to make catch-up contributions to your retirement savings if you've put saving on the back burner. The problem with making your own defined benefit plan is that you will have to meet the annual minimum contribution floor. If you don't, you'll be in violation of IRS rules. Because the benefits of a defined benefit plan are very specific, you will have to keep funding the plan to make sure it will pay those benefits in your retirement. Plus, you'll need to have an actuary perform an actuarial analysis each year. These solo defined benefit plans are good options for people with a lot of income to save and who don't mind losing a bit of flexibility in the process. Now here is the bottom line. If you're fortunate enough to have a defined benefit plan through your employer, learn about its ins and outs. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't save elsewhere though, like in a Roth or traditional IRA. That's because the promise of a pension isn't as ironclad as it once was. When it comes to saving for retirement, more is always better. To maximize your retirement savings, consider working with a financial advisor or retirement consultant, depending on your needs. Always make sure that they are certified as a fiduciary, as they are required to put your best interest first and foremost, as well as better assisting you in achieving your dream retirement. Thank you for joining us for the final Defined Benefit Plan short video series, and remember to join us for our other retirement topic videos. For more information, or to better understand what your retirement plan could look like, take the questionnaire linked in the video description.